Need help writing your resume? Here's how to use LiveCareer's resume examples to save time and build a resume that gets results. Explore expert-written resume examples by job title or industry. With over 1,000 samples, you'll find the right fit for your career. Review the structure and wording. Each example includes sections like contact info, profile, work experience, skills, and education, so you'll know exactly what to include. Look for easy customization. LiveCareer's templates let you change colors, fonts, and section order in real time. No design skills needed. Once you're done, download your resume instantly in Word or PDF format. Choose the right resume format: chronological, functional, or combination. Pick a sample that matches your work history and goals. Tailor your resume for every application. Use industry-specific keywords and measurable achievements to stand out. Need inspiration? Browse popular resume examples for roles like teacher, nurse, cashier, server, manager, and more. Ready to build your winning resume? Explore expert resume examples and start building yours at LiveCareer today.